Welcome back students. In this video we are going to understand one very important aspect in PowerPoint, and that is transition effects. Transition effect can be applied to a slide. I am clicking on transition and this is the first slide. If I am going to run the slideshow with the help of, let's say, F5. So this is the first slide. This is the second. So these are the slides. Okay, I'm stopping this. However, these are coming in a very normal way because none of the transition effect has been given. So I have selected the first slide, and let's say these are the transition to this slide. And what is the transition effect you want to give? Let's say I'm going for random bars. Okay, so this is the transition effect that I have applied. Within the transition effect there are many others. I'm just giving you one example. So this is the second slide. I'm giving it a simple one, let's say shape. Okay, this is the third slide I've selected, and I'm giving it, let's say, split. Now the split is from the center to outwards. There are many other effect options within that particular transition effect. So in order to get those options, you need to click on effect options, and here you can see it's vertical out, which is right now selected. I may go for horizontal in also, and in order to check it, even though you have seen the preview, click on the preview once again and you can see. Apart from this, if you find the transition effect is a bit slow or fast, you can change the duration from here. Let's say I have changed the duration and I have made it fast, so you can see the preview. It's performing it a bit in a fast manner. Apart from this, you can give a sound effect to it. These are very small sound effect, let's say applause. So kind of this. However, I'm not giving it. If you want to apply the same transition effect to all the slides, you need to click on apply to all. Okay, this is the fourth one. I have selected this one, and I'm going to give there many more slide effect, let's say honeycomb. Okay, so these are all the transition effects that I have given, and I'm going to run this. Okay, first one, third, and the fourth one. That's it. So this is how you can apply a transition effect to the slides according to your process, and in order to make the presentation more professional or looks more good. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.